So I'll quickly show you guys how to get Envato Element's cheap subscription. If you're a video editor and any other related domain, you'll probably love this one. First step is to check the description. You'll find the important instructions there. After clicking on the link, you'll land on this page. It's a website that lets you buy premium services, AI tools, streaming services, and all that at discounted prices. On the homepage, navigate the list of available services and locate Envato Elements. If you're having trouble finding it, click on the software section and look for it there. But you should normally land on the checkout page directly if you click the link down below. Anyways, after locating it in the list, click on View More Details. Choose the duration you need the account for, which in this case is already set to 6 months by default. Leave the auto renewal button on because it will reduce the already discounted further. After that, click on Select a Discount and type JAAKF in the box for an extra 10% off. Finalize by clicking on Buy Now and make sure you create an account. That's it. That's how you get Envato Elements at a cheap price.